chicken 500 grams, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, chicken cube 1, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, corn flour 1 tablespoon, white pepper powder 1 teaspoon, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 capsicum, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, chili sauce 1 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, garlic ginger paste 1 tablespoon, ketchup 1 cup. Take the chicken and add red chili powder, black pepper, salt, chicken powder, and garlic ginger paste. Mix well. Add vinegar, soy sauce, chili sauce to the chicken. Combine, let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat all in a pan. Add the marinated chicken and cook well on high heat. Stirring continuously. Cook until the water dries up and the chicken is fully cooked. Add capsicum. Add the onion and mix. Add the tomato and mix well. Cook everything thoroughly for about 5 minutes. Then set it aside. In another pan, heat all and brown the garlic ginger paste. Add ketchup and cook on low heat. Add chili sauce, soy sauce, vinegar and mix. Add red chili powder and cook. After 5 minutes, add black pepper, salt, white pepper, sugar, and cook well. Add 1 cup of water and mix. Add the chicken cube and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Mix the corn flour in water and add it to the pan. Cook until the sauce thickens. Now add the cooked chicken and let everything cook well on low heat. Delicious chicken shashlik is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you receive all my recipes first.